Doon ako sa kabila.
Eh, doon sa kabila, doon ka. Pumasok sa loob.
Okay! Ay, ayoko. Pangit ka. In my house, I'm with my family. Today there's a chaos in the Philippines. That's why my parents are in here. So my dogs are inside. They're safe, but my school girl. So I say my school girl. I'm not happy anymore. I'm just gonna be sad. So if you like to support in the Philippines, just hit that like button and see you in the part 2. Bye.